How's it going, guys? It's Rasmus Olsen Fan 2006, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to shovel coal into the Flying Scotsman. British 462 A3 class steam locomotive. This steam locomotive was made by me, Crafty Fox, and Crafty Fox MC. If you guys want to make the Flying Scotsman, just watch full video and then I'll climb aboard inside the locomotive. Make sure you have permissions, or else you're in a lot of trouble. Once I climbed aboard inside the locomotive, it's time to shovel coal into a steam locomotive. But be sure you have permissions, or else you'll be in big trouble. Now that I shoveled coal 52 times, I'm going to climb out of the steam locomotive. Once I've climbed out of the steam locomotive, that's how I shovel coal into a steam locomotive in Minecraft. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys do, make sure you guys hit that like button down below, comment down below what you guys think of the video, and subscribe if you guys had already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.